fasting in Ramadan is also to leave sins, to develop this habit of leaving sins. During the day, those things which are halal, now Allah Ta'ala tells you to abstain from those things, right? You cannot eat, you cannot drink, you cannot have relations with your wife. And then moreover, it is being told that you cannot lie and you should not do all these things. So you have been told to abstain from many, many things. Why? So that if you do it in the month of Ramadan, then you can prepare yourself for the rest of the year so that you can leave the sins. So the purpose of Ramadan is also leaving sins. That is why Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam. O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed for you, has been made compulsory for you. Kama kutiba alal lazina min qablikum. The way it was made compulsory for the ones before you. La'allakum tattaqoon, so that you may attain taqwa, so that you may abstain from sins. So the purpose of fasting is not to leave food and drink, but the purpose of fasting is to prepare yourself in a way so that you can also abstain from sins. So abstaining from sins is not only the purpose of fasting, it is the purpose of the moment's life. This is the main goal of our life, that we can stay away from sins. And the one who stayed away from sins is the successful mu'min.